Hi everyone, it's me again Christian. Another day, another vlog, and welcome back for crpfilms.
Amazing!
So today guys, natakaroon rin
Sa Uptown CDO.
and here makita nato behind me isang beans and berry. So bago lang ni siya nga open nga coffee shop guys. And ato makita karon ang ilang mga specialty nga mga coffees and uban pa. Try check na to guys. Let's go. So guys, before ta musulod, makita sa dato nga pwede ta mag-coffee diri sa gawas. And makita to na yung mga plants. Cozy kayong place and dito kayo siya mag-coffee, mag-relax. Enjoy good kayo kadiri guys. So around birthday ni Sir JM. Birthday sir. Timing kayo guys. Hello. Rose. Sproshade lalag. Lag minalaw. Yeah. Pinakasikat.
Ay, kalimot, i-unfollow.
Kompleto na rin guys, kaya natin dari JM, M Adventures, hello.
Shout out! Happy birthday!
Salamat.
Didapit, pakita na ito kung saan pag-imo ang coffee nila guys.
Hello explorers, we are here today at Beans and Berry CDO, and with me here is their store manager, Ma'am Denise. Hi Ma'am Denise, good evening.
Oh, good evening.
Can you please tell us ma'am kung kano sa mo nag-open rin sa Beans and Berry CDO?
December CDO po, we opened last June 2025.
Okay.
One of our best sellers po and our main product po sa Beans and Berry. Ito po si Fresh Sauce Confirma. Ito po si KitKat. These two are our strawberry and chocolates po. And this is one of our new release product po, Matcha Strawberry. Ito po sila is mga croffle po. These are croissants made with waffle maker po. Ito po si Strawberry Deluxe. Ito po si Biscoff Croffle. And this one is Oreo Croffle po.
Kani ma'am, unsa po ni sila?
Strawberry float po sila.
How about this ma'am? Sa ni mga drinks na?
This one is strawberry shake. Ito po is Spanish latte. Biscoff latte, matcha strawberry latte, mocha latte, vanilla latte, and biscoff. We open 9 a.m. until 1 a.m. po, daily.
BNB, makita na to ang mga specialties nila, mga pastries. And mga specialties dire sa Beans.
Amazing!
Hi everyone, come and visit Beans and Berry, located here in Uptown CDO. Alright.